Hi, today I'm making a summer salad, a nectarine and arugula salad. Arugula can be a little nutty or peppery, and so sometimes pairing it with fruit actually makes a difference. So we're going to begin with a nice handful, I'd say at least 2 cups of arugula, two medium-sized nectarines. You want them to be slightly firm, goat cheese. And this is actually one of the key ingredients. And a medium-sized shallot. We will also have, we'll be using a tablespoon or a tablespoon and a half of honey. We'll also be using 1 lemon and olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. We'll also use 1 small clove of garlic. And so we're going to begin by mincing the shallot and the garlic. So we're going to chop them very finely. Now you're going to use the minced garlic and shallot for the dressing and a little bit of the shallot for the salad. Next, we're going to slice our nectarines. And so we're going to slice them thin and add those to the arugula. Next, we're going to mix our white balsamic vinaigrette. It's a 1/4 cup of white vinegar. And in this case, I use a tablespoon of honey. If you like it a little sweeter, you can add a little bit more. A tablespoon of that minced shallot and garlic. You can squeeze just a half a teaspoon of lemon if you like. And we're going to whisk this dressing up. And you want to whisk it pretty vigorously. And you can chill it or for a few minutes and then serve it over this nectarine and arugula salad. And it is a light summer salad and one that will refresh the taste of arugula for you.